Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we will tell you how to get lower prices and save money, get coupons while shopping online. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Chrome browser, search Pricecout, price comparison and open Chrome extension. Here is the extension, or search it in Chrome Web Store. Where is the extension? Open it, add to Chrome. Smart price comparison and coupon assistant for your online shopping. Automatic price comparison and coupon notifications. Automatically check for lower prices and money saving coupons while you shop. Automatic price comparison from 21,000 stores for lower prices. Coupon notification. It automatically gives you coupon notification to save money. Here it tells how it works. Read it later. Let's see how it works. Open Amazon store. Refresh it. Here we search for camera. Open this result. Here it shows save up to 26%. Buy this camera in $950 from another store. Search for a laptop. Here it shows save up to 11% from Tech for Less store. So you see how easy it is. Compare the prices, check for lower price and save money. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Yeah.